Good morning, students. Welcome back to Botany class, Chapter 5, Morphology of Flowering Plants, Part 1. Chapter 2 and 3, we discussed about the classification of plants based on the morphological and other characteristics. Okay, what is morphology? Morphology is a branch of biology which deals with the study of external characters of living organisms. Morphological characters means external characters. For any successful attempt, classification and understanding of any higher plant or animal, we need to know about the possible variations in different parts, adaptation to various habitat, functions of each part, etc. Okay, this chapter we will discuss about the morphology of an angiosperm. Angiosperm meaning flowering plants. We can see a plant consists of root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. The underground part of the flowering plant is the root system. Underground part, root system, while the portion above the ground level or the aerial parts forms the shoot system. Shoot system includes stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Now we will discuss each part of the plant. First we will take the root. Root is the non-green, underground, descending part of the plant body. No green color. It is present below the soil and the growth is from the base to the down in the soil. Root begins from the base of the plant to the soil. There are three types of root systems. Okay, first point, taproot system, fibrous root system and the adventitious root system. First point, taproot system. The primary root which grows inside the soil, the main root growing inside the soil, it bears lateral roots, that means secondary root and tertiary roots. Again the branches, small branches. The primary root and its branches constitute the taproot system. The primary root, secondary root, tertiary root, all together we can call it is the taproot system. It is present in the dicot plants. All the dicot plants have the taproot system. Second point, it is the fibrous root system. Fibrous root system consists of many thread-like uniform sized roots develops from the base of the plant. See that one, the base of the plant consists of the many roots. Many same type of uniform size, small thread-like structure, the roots develops from the base of the plant that is present in the monocot plants. Okay, in the taproot system, one main root is there, consists of the secondary and tertiary roots. All they have the different size and shape. But the fibrous root system, many roots are there and that all the roots are uniform size and shape. Okay, the third root system is the adventitious root system. Okay, taproot system and fibrous root system, it is arising from the base of the plant. But in the adventitious roots are developed other than the base of the plant. It may be from the stem or in the leaf tip, the different parts of the plant other than the base. These are called the adventitious root system. That is, the examples are the ornamental plants. roots are developed other than the base of the plant is called adventitious root system. Now, next we'll discuss about the functions of the root system. The main function of the root system are the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. First one, absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Second point, providing a proper anchorage to the plant parts, giving to the support in that plant. It is present in the soil. It is giving to the strength. Third point, storing reserve food materials. Okay. They are the main taproot contains, they are the storing the food materials. Then the fourth point, synthesis of the plant growth regulators. Okay, these are the 4 points: absorption, providing the strength, storing the food materials, and the synthesis, producing the plant growth regulators. Next, we'll discuss about the regions of the root. What are the parts of a root? The root is covered with, at the tip region, the root tip is covered with the root cap. It is the protective covering over the tender tip of the root. Tender means a thin portion. The tip region, because the root is growing to the soil, that time it is protecting the root. That protective covering is the root cap. Second point, it is the region of meristematic. It is a small area that lies just above the root cap. Meristems means the growing region. Meristems are the small, immature, embryonic cells contains active protoplasm. That is the main region of the meristematic. Then, next portion is the region of elongation. The cells of this region undergoes rapid elongation and enlargement, and it is responsible for the growth of the root in length. Okay, region of the elongation. After the meristematic tissue just forming, then it is helping the length of the root, helping the region of the elongation. Next point, last point, region of maturation. Okay, region of maturation means that after the region of the elongation, the region of the maturation is present. The matured cells, they are gradually differentiate and mature. This region is called the region of maturation. Next, from this region of maturation, from this region, some of the epidermal cells, outer layer cells, form thin thread-like structures called root hairs. These root hairs absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, name the regions of root. Root cap, protective cover, region of meristematic, growing region of elongation, rapid growth, the maturity, region of the maturation. Then the root hairs are present in the epidermal layers. Then the last point in the root, modifications of the root. Normal root have what are the functions of the root? They are the giving to the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Other than, what are the modifications of the root? The first point, it is the storage of the food. Taproots of the carrot, turnip and beetroot and adventitious roots of sweet potato, these are get swollen and store food. The taproots, the main root, storing the food, and that is called the root storage of the food. Second point, it is the prop roots. Okay, listen, the prop roots. Prop roots are the aerial means above, adventitious roots developed from the basal nodes which grow from horizontal stem or branches passed down in the soil to provide support to the plants. Okay, prop roots means just imagine one banyan tree. Banyan tree have a taproot system, but their branches are very broadly it is present. These branches, the roots are developed from the branches, and the roots are growing down, and it is giving support to this plant. Okay, that type of the roots, adventitious roots are developed other than the base. It is developing from the horizontal stem or the branches. It is and it is going to the supporting to the plant. That is the prop roots. Example, banyan tree. Then next, third point, it is the stilt root. Adventitious roots other than the base, the roots are develops from the basal node of the stem, providing support to the plant. Adventitious roots means the example is maize, sugarcane. Okay, these are all having the fibrous root system. So they have the support is required from that node, means where the branches will arise. So you know that when the maize and sugarcane, there is no branches, that is the one stem it is. There, the basal part contains one more extra type of the roots. Not only one root, the uniform many roots are there, and it is going to down and it is supporting to the plant. That is, adventitious roots develops from the basal nodes of the stem, providing support to the plant. Example, maize, sugarcane. The last examples are the nematophores. Nematophores roots. Plants growing in swampy areas, dirty waters are there, there is no oxygen circulation. Many roots come out of the ground and grow vertically upwards. Okay, you know that one. Normally roots are growing down. In these areas, the roots will grow upwards because there is no oxygen circulation in there. That type of the vertically upwards they are growing. Such roots are called nematophores. It helps to get oxygen for respiration. Example, rhizophora. Okay, these are negatively geotropic, just opposite. Normally roots are growing down, but here in the nematophores, roots are growing upward. Upright roots developed from the normal root. That is the thing. Roots are developing from the normal part and it is growing upwards. This type of roots are called nematophores. So modifications of root, first one, storage of root, prop roots, stilt root, and nematophores. Thank you.